Good morning. We've got some quiet weather to start off the day here in Fargo. The wind is light. We have had a little dusting of light snow in the FM Metro this morning in the last hour or so. And there are other places picking up a little light snow this morning too to watch out for. But generally speaking, better than yesterday, though we know there are a lot of places that are still quite icy. Those residential areas, parking lots, sidewalks. So be careful again today as you head out. We are expecting to look at some snow showers through the morning hours for parts of the southern valley, especially southeastern North Dakota here. You can see some of those scattered light snow showers. Also a little bit of snow now redeveloping in the northern valley, so you might get a little bit of light snow there too. This is all working its way to the south and east. We'll zoom back in on southeastern North Dakota, north of Valley City, over Lake Ashtabula and back over toward Tower City there, seeing some light snow. Ellendale getting a little bit of that too, in and around the Gwinner area. And again, over into the northern valley, we're seeing a few more of those flakes showing up once again in that region. And reports of light snow even in the east where we're not seeing it detected on the radar. Checking out your temperatures, we're seeing some low teens to the east. It's 20 in Fargo, 21 in Grand Forks, 27 warmer out to the west in Jamestown. And the wind variable. We're looking at wind speeds less than 10 miles per hour. So I mentioned the light snow. It has at times brought down visibility. We're down to 1.5 miles in Bemidji, 1.75 miles in Baudette, and looking out west, some visibility reports that are less than 10 miles too because of some areas of light snow to some flurry activity. Ahead for later on this morning and into the afternoon, expect to have some mostly cloudy skies for the rest of the day, though we have a chance for seeing some sun break through in our eastern North Dakota viewing area. Wind will also increase just a bit into the teens with a couple of gusts into the 20s this afternoon too. So you might notice the wind if you're standing outside, but for a while, but it's not going to be intense like it was yesterday. And then for tonight, more of the same, more areas of cloud cover. Can't rule out a flurry underneath a few of those clouds, but generally speaking, a quiet night ahead of us for tonight. Looking ahead to tomorrow, that's when we have that chance for some snow rolling in. That could end up accumulating for some. Not until later in the day. This is 8 a.m. You can see we're looking pretty quiet at that point. Then our next system starts to make its presence known around the noon hour up in the north and west and just kind of works its way southeastward. You can see there's going to be a band of some snow, most likely in the northern valley and to the east. At least that's what the models have been showing over the last couple of days. But can't rule out snow elsewhere. There might be some areas, though, that don't see anything at all. You can see Ellendale looking pretty high and dry there. But any little shift in this band could make a big difference between just how much snow you end up getting here through the evening hours Friday night. And can't rule out a little bit of rain or freezing rain on the warm side of this system as well. Now, this is through Friday night. Some areas getting a little more than 1 inch to 2 inches of snow, but that snow will continue to fall into the nighttime overnight hours and into Saturday too. So looking at maybe a few inches of snow in some spots into the first half of the weekend. For Sunday, we'll have a high of 29 degrees and be on the quieter side. And then that next bout of light snow moves in Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures remain mild, though. We'll be in the mid-20s to mid-30s through the extended planner, which is very nice for December.
Yeah, thank you, Lisa.